Hello everyone, I'm Ramya Tella, a data science and business analytics intern at the Sparks Foundation December 2022 batch. Today I will be talking about my task, which involves performing an exploratory data analysis on a retail dataset called Sample Superstore. This dataset contains the sales data for superstores located across different regions in the United States. The objective of this task is to identify areas of weakness as a business manager, and based on the insights drawn using ADA, recommendations will be provided for improving profit generation. I will be representing my analysis through the Superstore sales dashboard, which I created using Tableau. Based on the analysis of the dataset, we can see that the company makes a total sales of $2,297,000 and a total profit of $286,000. The first graph here shows the top 3 cities that should be targeted the most for improvement as they contribute towards the highest losses for the business. The city of Philadelphia gives us the least profit of minus $19,600, followed by Houston and Chicago. The second graph shows us the most preferred shipping modes. The standard class contributes towards the highest profit of $164,000. This graph also shows us that the majority of the customers prefer this shipping mode compared to the others, whereas the same-day shipping is the least preferred shipping mode, yielding a profit of only $16,000. Next, we will look at this map visualization, which gives us an overview of the profit by state. Looking at this map, we can see that the darker shades represent states with the highest profits. This includes states such as California with a profit of $76,000, New York with a profit of $74,000, and Washington with a profit of $33,000. The areas with the lightest shades represent states with the least profit. As you can see, these states have a negative value signifying losses, with Texas being the least profitable state with minus $26,000, followed by Ohio with minus $17,000 and Pennsylvania with minus $16,000. Next, the region and the state filters at the top allow us to get a deeper insight by targeting an individual region or state. When I select the central region, the data on all the graphs are updated to show information relevant to the central region. You can now see that in this graph, you can see the top 3 cities and laws in the central region, which are Houston, Chicago, and San Antonio. The map is updated to show the states only in the central region, and the profit graph is updated to show profit for the central region alone. I'll now reset the filter. And next we will look at this profit versus sales analysis. The bars represent the total sales, whereas the yellow curve represents the total profit in each subcategory. From the graph, it can be seen that the subcategory tables is the highest in losses with $18,000 and bookcases with minus $3,000 and supplies with minus $1,000. We can use the filters once again to see subcategories underperforming in each state. This time I'll select Texas since it is the least profitable state. So from this graph, we can see that the category furniture leads to the highest losses since none of the subcategories have given any profit. Same with the office supplies, where binders, appliances, storage, and supplies are leading to losses. Whereas in the technology section, machines are giving us a loss of about minus $3,000. So as a business manager, I would think of looking into these areas to increase profit. Finally, we look at these 2 donut charts. The first chart shows profit by category. From this chart, we can see that furniture category yields the least profit of only $18,000, when compared to a profit of $286,000, which is less than 7%. The last chart shows us the profit by region. In this chart, we can see that the West region yields the highest profit of $108,000, followed by the East with $92,000, the South with $47,000, and finally the Central region with only $40,000. The Central is the least profitable region and needs attention. So some of the areas of focus include investigating sales of poor performing products within the furniture category. This is because the furniture category makes the least profit in all the regions, and as a business manager, I would consider selling only the profitable subcategories within furniture category. And also the sales of poor performing subcategories such as tables and bookcases should be minimized or stopped completely to bring in more profit. Next is to increase the sales in the West and East region, as it could be profitable, especially in the states of New York and California. Finally, we can develop strategies to improve sales in the Central and other less profitable states, such as Texas, Ohio, and Pennsylvania. That concludes my presentation. Thank you so much for watching.